The most updated COMAV's technology in the field of raw materials handling was successfully applied to the food industry. On behalf of our customer Moviers, located near Alessandria, Italy, COMAV has carried out several systems to automate and simplify the handling of cocoa beans, raw coffee beans, and sugar. The factory receives the bags of cocoa beans in containers. The containers are tilted by means of a system operated by hydraulic cylinders, and all bags are dumped on top of a shutter conveyor belt which takes all bags one by one and aligns them all in the same way before transferring them to the weighing and palletizing unit. A camera showing the inside of the container allows the operator to make sure all the bags are discharged. Once the pallet is full, a roller conveyor takes it to the bean sampling station. This system was conceived in order to get some sample beans out of the bags and take them into a bin. The sampling needle is designed to assure the maximum extraction capacity with minimum bag spoiling. The following line performs the automatic emptying of the cocoa beans bags previously palletized. The unit is run by a single operator who controls all system functions from a control panel. The unit achieves a capacity of 500 bags per hour. As soon as the first pallet is positioned, the storage unit conveys it on the depalletizer, which tilts until it reaches the feeding inlet of the emptying machine. Bags are discharged and cut by a series of blades. A rotating drum separates the product from the bags. An air cleaning system is fitted at the bottom of the emptying machine in order to clean the debagged cocoa beans. A belt conveyor transports the empty bags to a hydraulic press to be compacted. The cocoa beans are loaded into suitable tipping trailers. This stage is monitored by a camera. A second depalletizing and emptying line was supplied for bags containing raw coffee. The system includes the storage unit for the empty pallets. After having discharged all bags, the depalletizer goes back to its start position and automatically delivers the empty pallet to the storage unit before starting a new cycle. A bucket elevator placed at the outlet of the emptying machine takes the debagged coffee beans into a tank truck. A belt conveyor takes the empty bags outside the building and drops them into a container to be brought to a compaction area on a later stage. A filtering system placed outside the building removes all light foreign matters from the raw coffee and conveys the waste material to a collection hopper. To solve the problems related to sugar handling, COMAV has realized within Movier's premises 2 stations for tilting 20, 30 and 40 feet containers and container trailers. The frame, placed on weighing loading cells, can tilt the containers up to 50 degrees and empty them by means of 2 hydraulic cylinders with a maximum load capacity of 36 tons. The discharge hose of the liner with the sugar is connected to a screw conveyor by means of suitable accessories that guarantee the absolute cleanliness of the operation. The screw conveyor feeds the sugar first into a lump breaker, then the sugar passes through a deferrization unit and finally gets sieved and selected according to its grain size by means of a safety rotating screen. The screened sugar is collected by a bucket elevator, while all waste product is conveyed by the screen itself to a discharge point and collected into a bag fixed with a sleeve. The different parts of the unit are controlled and run by electric control panels, fitted with a weight graphic viewer, allowing an instant monitoring of the quantity left to be discharged. The sugar can be sent to two different lines. A first line conveys the sugar into a storage silo made of trevira fabric, from which the sugar can be also transferred into big bags. The silo is provided with a loss-in-weight extraction system run by an electronic control with graphic display. The second line loads the sugar directly into the tank trucks by means of a telescopic loading system. When required, the tank trucks can be also loaded by an aeromechanical conveyor, fed by a big bag's discharging unit.